Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss how to use stop loss on Bitget exchange. So first of all, open Bitget exchange. After that you will see an interface like this in front of you. To use stop loss, first you need to click on trade. After clicking on trade, you need to click on your and charge the tokens you have bought in your port. I will charge whatever tokens I have bought, so this is for you and me. I have bought the SY token, so you can see in your port that SY has been charged. Switchless invest has appeared, you need to click on it. Charge the tokens you have bought here. After that, tap on it. This interface will appear before you. First you need to click on sell. After clicking on sell, you need to click on your. You need to select TPSL, as you can see TPS. After selecting this, you need to check the market price of the token you have bought and at what price you want to set the stop loss. For example, I have sweet token. 2.6 is its price and I want to set its stop loss at $2, so you need to set stop loss at 2. First you need to click on trigger price. So by clicking on trigger price, I set it to $2. After that, you need to provide the quantity for the stop loss you want. If you want to set stop loss on tokens, I set it to 100%, meaning I want to apply it to all my tokens. Okay, after that you can see I have 24 in your port sweet tokens, so I will set stop loss at $2. Therefore, to confirm, you need to click on sell and your port. So you can see I have clicked on sell, then you need to confirm. So you can see in your port my order has been placed. Now when its price reaches $2, it will be sold automatically. Thus, even if the price drops below $2, I won't lose more. Maximum loss is $2. So in this way you can set such a stop loss on your tokens and you can avoid a very big loss.